Yeah, it's fine. Yes.
Later on in the summer, there's a lot of pretty flowers along there
Oh
too.
yeah, it's beautiful. Yeah, as the birds are chirping, so I was trying to take the birds. Pretty nature. This is Montrose Park, and you can see it's a beautiful park, and there's lots of trees are blooming. I mean, the greeneries are coming back, and leaves are tender and wonderful. So you can watch. These beautiful trees are there, and there's a Montrose parking lot, and yes, the city is able to maintain beautifully this park. So there is a soccer ground, there is a play game. The children, they can play, and the people, those who can come and eat and sit down underneath. So this is the city that takes beautiful. Yeah, you can see the flowers can be blooming soon, but not yet. So it is waiting, and the sun is shining today. So yes, you can feel this amazing place, and there is a river as well. So yeah, people enjoy, come see the nature, beautiful nature. So yes, this is the life here in America.